Talk about safety features. You know, you're stuck on the highway, you block the highway, block it. You have to Google it. You're in the middle of the road, you're in traffic. You got time to Google this? What safety, man? Ultimate driving machine when it's running. You know, we have a late model BMW here. It ran out of gas. It's in my way in the middle of the shop. I just want to move it forward. And it doesn't want to start. Well, okay, it doesn't want to start. Let's throw it in neutral so I can move the car a few feet so it can get going. But look at the issues you got to go through. Look at this. I don't have the time to go look for gas. Don't ask me to Google how to put this car in neutral. Just check this out. Key on. Doesn't start. Okay, look at this. Press brake, power on. Look, I can't push this car. Look at this. See if you can push this car, okay? I want to move it a few feet. I'm trying to get this car neutral with these stupid features. Look at this. I hold the brake, put it neutral, key on. Look, I got no time to Google and I got no time to look for fuel. I just want to move the car. Look at this. Power on, press the brake. Put in neutral, press the lever, nothing. Look at this. Look at this. This is today's stupid cars. Safety features. Don't ask me to Google, find out how this works. I just want to move the car a couple of feet. And you know, I'm sure some people know how to move it. I don't, I have no time, but this is a fiasco I don't need right now. So this is what you get with today's cars. Here you go. You can't throw in neutral just to move the car a few feet. Now if this was a Charger, all I have to do is throw in neutral and push it. But today's cars, this is what you get, the electronic cage. Kill yourself to figure out how to put in neutral to move it out of the way. Or take some time, Google it, or read the shop manual, or call a BMW or whoever is the manufacturer of the car to figure out how you're gonna put in neutral to move the car. It's such a pain in the ass. That's why I like these old cars. These new cars today, technology, it might be good, it might be bad. In cases like this, you wanna move it, I don't like it one bit. Right now it's stuck in the middle of my shop, I just wanna move it a couple of feet forward. Neutral, no, impossible. I'm holding the brake, key on, crank it, press the lever, nothing. I tried that too. I even tried with the door shut. People tell me, shut the door. I shut the door, look. Key on. Here we go, press brake. No, nothing, look, impossible. Park, 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 park. I had enough with this. What do? Do I get a truck and push it in the garage or what? Or just gonna throw it out? Yeah, the ultimate driving machine, yeah. There it is. Just to move it out of the way for a few feet. What a disaster. Anyways, you know what? We have some fuel and I'm gonna go try it now, see if it starts. You know, like these cars today, you know you gotta put the key on, shut the door, press the brake. Man, nothing like the old cars. If you knew what you were doing, the old cars, you're safe. But today's cars, my God. So much technical work. For example, these guys with the tow truck, what do? Battery's dead, what do? Can't put the shifter in neutral. You want to roll the car up on the flatbed, what do? There we go. Let's try that. Okay, we finally got some fuel. Let's see what happens. Prime it. Imagine that, eh? You run out of fuel, you want to push the car on the side of the road, ain't gonna happen. Well, you know, I'm sure there's a way. You gotta Google it, read the book. But right now I got no time. I got a lot of work in my shop and I don't need to deal with this nonsense. Talk about safety features. You know, you're stuck on the highway, you block the highway, block it. Trucks coming down the highway, you're stuck in the middle of the street. What safety, man? Anyways, you know, that's my opinion. Some of these new cars today, they're just a pain in the ass. And for this reason, I'll stick to my old school. Never gave me any problems whatsoever.
They might have fancy leather interiors that smell like your grandma's purse, and great big wheels with rubber bands for tires. But it's hard to imagine these cars making anyone happy 50 years from now. One thing that always makes us happy at the shop is Nick's mail.
Here's another week at Nick's garage. I had a tough week. First of all, I had a BMW that I couldn't move a few feet because I couldn't get into neutral to push the car for some nonsense reasons. But anyways, that's gone. Then I gave out my old courtesy car, a Honda Civic, out to get a couple of parts delivered. The transmission went. But anyways, it doesn't matter. It's mail time, our mail with our viewers. So let's take a look and see what we got. We'll start with two of my clients walked in here, or should I say one was a client, he brought me the flag of the Greek church, which is the eagle with two heads. He brought it here so I can put it up in the shop. So this was brought into to my shop by Kirk, or should I say Kyriakos. And Kyriakos, thank you very much. I'll put it up. And of course we had another flag. Someone came in looking for a job here. His name is Roy. He's originally from Lebanon. And he's asked me if he was looking for work. Maybe he can help us one day. But in the meantime, he looked at all the flags in my shop and said, Nick, you don't have the Lebanese flag. And you know what? He brought it in a week later. And I have a lot of Lebanese customers. And it's a big flag too. Wow. The flag of Lebanon. It is Roy, got your name on the flag. All right, what's our next package? Let's take a look. Here's one, I believe this is from Canada Post. No return address. We know this is a Canadian viewer. Well, let's take a look. Let's see what we got. Here we go. Oh, what do we got here? Alfred. Okay. Bonjour, Nick. I live in Montcalm, New Brunswick. Mine was a 1983 Shelby white and a whooping 110 horsepower. No turbo, the real deal. Also, I am sending an Acadian flag to represent the French people of the Maritimes. Keep up the good work and may the force be with you. Fred, thank you, Fred. Oh, there's his old Shelby. There it is. Yeah, I remember those Shelbys then. Little car, 4-cylinder. And look at this, he's even put his own name on it. There it is, the Acadian people, which is the French colony of, I believe, Eastern Canada. Here it is, the Bleu Blanc Rouge. There it is, like they say in French. Thank you, Alfred. And here's another package, and this is from the USA, from Rick, from Indiana. Okay, what do we got here? White Polora. Rick, La Follette. All right, just read your letter, so I can see that you're in the love of Mopars, and of course, you love our channel because we have all kinds of muscle cars, and of course, a lot of Mopars. And I just read that you own all of these cars, and especially this GTX 4-speed, matching motor, 440 Magnum. Now, or should I say, it's a Super Commando because it's a Plymouth. And Rick also sent me a novel on a white Polora by Rick La Follette. You know, you wrote in the letter that if I go to Greece, I'll take it with me to read it. I'm not going to read some of the chapters, I'm going to read the whole book. So Rick, thank you very much. You know what, when I go on vacation, I'll take it with me. Thank you very much, Rick. I never knew I was going to have a novelist watching my channel from Thorntown, Indiana. Rick the novelist. Okay, here we have another one, and it's from Rich from New York. I know Rochester, New York. I've been there a couple of times already. I went to a car show a long time ago in Rochester. Okay, here we go. Nick, love this show. Here we go. Nick, love the show. Keep up the great work, buddy. Libri Family Racing. 3 generations, myself, my dad, and my 2 sons. Wow, Italian-American flag. I see Rich put his own name on the flag, eh? Oh, I never knew that. Look at this. Italian-American. Wow, I've never seen that one before. Rich Liberty Racing, Rochester, New York. It's a racing family, 3 generations. That is something. And he's got a few pictures of his cars. Oh, the Rampage. Okay. 66, 67 Charger. Look at that. That's a heavy car to pull a wheelie like that. There it is again. Just like Jean Guy's car, same thing. Look at that. Dedicated Mopars, I can see that. And you guys keep up the good work with your racing, man. I have a lot of friends that are Italians that we go racing together. So maybe I should bring that flag up, or maybe we should make our own flag, the Italian and Canadian flag. But anyways, that's unique. Thank you. And I'm going to show it off to all my Italian buddies. Thank you very much, Rich. From Colorado. And his name is, I believe it's Jim. Oh, let's open it up and see what we got. Oh yeah, Colorado. Denver, Colorado. Kowalski. Where do you think he started from? The state of Colorado. Yes, sir. What do we got here? 60. Nick, thanks for your YouTube videos. Jim. Yep, that's his name. Mechanics all scratch belt. Oh, look at that. Electric belt, perfect size, lightweight only. 3.5 ounces. Quick release, buckle, comfortable, durable, versatile, reliable, and scratch resistant buckle. Oh, I gotta see this. I've never seen this before. You gotta make sure you don't scratch somebody's fender, especially with the old muscle cars I work with. Wow, check this out. You know what? I'm gonna use this. This is something unique. Wow, this is nice, man. Can you talk about this? I guess you close it. There you go. Jim, thank you very much. I'm gonna use it in the shop. Thank you. And it's been a long day, but you know, I'm very pleased with what I'm getting with my mail time. You know, it's been a hard week, and sometimes, you know, your days don't go your way. You're gonna have one problem, one after the other, but that's reality, that's the truth. You know, not everything's perfect. People tell me that you work in a dream garage. Yeah, some days you do, some days you don't. But you know, it's all part of the job. And right now I'm doing mail time, I'm relaxed, I'm happy for what I'm getting. I got more flags, I got a belt that you can wear that you don't need to scratch cars, I should say, and it's working fine for me. And now let's see what we got from overseas. Here's one from the UK. Oh, look at that, don't you guys love that? Nick's Garage, all the way from the UK. And this is from Phil. Okay, Phil, let's see what you got us, Phil. Here we go. Oh, this is a short letter. Philip, hi there, started watching the channel when I was off to work with a virus. Wow. Enjoy all the engine builds and the dyno work. I've sent you a Welsh flag. Hope you like it. Glad you're feeling better, Phil. This is the flag of Wales. I don't think we have it. No, we don't have the flag of Wales. Okay, let's put it up. Wow, look at that. He's already put it up. Phil, thank you very much. I do not have this flag from the UK, which I'm going to put up in my shop. Thank you very much. And you know, Wales is part of UK, you guys. Just Northern Ireland, Scotland, and Wales is all part of the UK. Ireland is part of it's on its own. It's not part of the UK. It's part of Europe. So just in case to let you guys know, Northern Ireland is part of the UK, not Ireland. There you go. You gotta teach something else once in a while, eh? I always love geography. I always love the flags of the world, but this was a big fluke how the flags came into my shop. It just started coming one flag after the other. And right now, 3 years later, we got over 100 different flags in my shop. And there we have it. The world is watching us here at Nick's Garage. And this one is from Australia. And we saved the furthest one for the last one. Okay, this is from Lyndon. Let's see what we got. All the way from Australia, and it's a pretty big package. Okay, it's true. He was asking us if the goodies came. It's here now. If you're looking, Lyndon, we got it. Dear Nick and Vasily, Emily, myself love your show. The Kowalski project is stunning. We hope you enjoy these few items from Australia, and I hope someday to come to Canada to visit and see that dyno in action personally. If you do come, let me tell you, I will run the dyno for sure. From Adelaide, South Australia. Wow, okay, let's see what you got us. Oh yes, last time we had a visitor from Australia, which was John. The night before, when he was not here, we had the dyno running with a semi-motor on it, and everything went well. And the day John showing up from Adelaide also came, we ran on the dyno, we tried to get it going, and we never got the dyno to run. And for that reason, we tore it down and we bought all new electronics. So Lyndon, if you do come to Montreal, here in Canada, and if I got an engine on the dyno and you come by right here, I will blast that engine on the dyno so you can see it live action here in my shop. And what did Lyndon send us? Let's take a look. Okay, here we go. Tim Tam, Arnold's biscuits. Oh my God, we got cookies here. Arnold's again, original. Yeah, we like having snacks in the morning with our coffee, let me tell you. Wow, Cadbury Dairy Milk, milk chocolate, good stuff. And what is this? Vegemite. No, I never had this. What is this? Let's try one. And this came all the way from Australia, you guys, South Australia. What is this anyways? You're kidding. Wow, this goes on toast, eh? God, it's salty. Ah. Whoa. You know what? Let me put on some toast, bagel, and see what it tastes like. Just like that, it's pretty salty. But anyways, I'll try it. I don't know what it's going to be like, but anyways, you know what I mean? Ah, it's a very strong taste, let me tell you. Wow. Sure it's going to be good on bagel with toast. I'm going to try it. It's a lot of vitamin B, I see, right? I don't know what it is. This is the first time I'm trying it. And then I want to say thank you very much. Thank you. And to all my viewers here on Nick's Garage, I want to thank you all for watching. And I want to thank all my Patreon supporters. And you guys hit that button and subscribe and share. You guys are my best, man. Let me tell you, thank you, and I love you all. And you guys, if you look down below the video, we have a whole bunch of merchandise that you guys can buy. So whatever you like, buy it, love it, wear it, and enjoy it. And help spread the word of Nick's Garage. And if you have some time, check out our Patreon page. We have extra content, and you guys can watch it and take it from there. And we'll see you next time.